Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the MacBot EA for trading. So first off, make sure you've loaded it onto your charts by going to Open Data folder. So download it onto your download it onto your PC and save it into your desktop. And once you've done that, just right click on it and hit copy. And then go to File in your MetaTrader platform. Here, go to Open Data folder. And so first things first, we'll locate MacD. So here you'll hit the EA first, so the EA here, and right click to select copy. Here, and right click copy. Here will be one of these versions here, the EXE file. Hit copy, just select back, go to MQL4, go to experts, and just right click and hit paste. So just paste that in there. I'm obviously not going to do it because mine's inside. We'll just select paste in there. Next, just go back. Now there is another indicator you need to download. It is the newer version of the XAUUSD MacD. So make sure you download this and load this onto your platform, otherwise the EA won't work. Okay, so this is a very important thing to have on your charts. Okay, so hit copy again and go to indicators this time and right click on it and hit paste. Okay, next go back to your MetaTrader platform. Here, we'll just go to the side here and just select refresh on the indicators and right click refresh on the experts. Okay, and next you should see the XAUUSD MacD. You don't need to load the MacD indicator on the charts, you just need that in the actual platform so the robot can actually search for it. Okay, so next you want to load it onto your chart. Okay, so you can see I've got it, which you just do like this, just double click. Okay, and here's the settings inside it. Okay, so pay very close attention to the settings here. Okay, so this is the first two settings are the size you're looking to trade. So value to risk percentage, you can actually risk a percentage of your account per trade, or you can risk a certain lot size, so it's totally up to you. Okay, next, if you want, you can put in a stop loss and take profit. Stop loss is highly recommended. Okay, and next is the settings. So this close at opposite divergence simply means that if you can see we had a buy divergence here, so we always want to keep at a classic, okay, or reverse, sorry. So just make sure that's at reverse, or sorry, classic, closed at classic. Okay, always make sure that is closed as at classic. Okay, so if it entered on a classic buy signal here, it will exit on classic sell signal on one of the time frames you actually trade from. Okay, so here max orders. So very important to put your max orders in here. One trade or two trades, whatever you want to do. So we'll just do that. So here divergence type. Okay, so There's two types of divergence here. One is, I call a continuation, which is a reverse divergence, and we'll go into the charts in a minute and look at that. But classic is the one you will trade most. So the minute, just leave that at classic and hide. Okay. Now, this next part is the time frames you want the EA to take signals on. Okay, make sure the current time frame is off. Okay, so if you are swing trading and you're taking signals inside the weekly and monthly price zones, you will select daily, true, and 4-hour, true. And if you're a bit more experienced, you can select the H1, but you need to get more experience reading price action. Okay, if you are day trading, okay, which trades normally last a day or maximum a day, you're going to be trading off the daily and 4-hour time price zones, and you're going to be taking signals of the 1 hour, 30, and 15. So whenever a divergence happens on any of them charts, based on the direction you're going to be trading, it will take a signal on them. Okay. If you're scalping, if you've gone through my new Udemy course, which is part of this, it will teach you how to scalp. You'll be using the 5-minute and 1-minute signals in the 1-hour time zones. Okay. Now it's very important to allow live trading when you've decided an asset you're going to trade. And if you're only looking, say you're only looking to place long trades, make sure you're only going long. If you have it long and short, it will enter both trades. So make sure you have that. Okay. And we'll just look at something here now. Okay, so say you're swing trading the British pound, Japanese yen here. Okay, see we're inside a weekly zone here. Prices come down into a weekly. We have what we do then. Okay, we're looking to meet the rules. We're looking to buy. Only looking to buy here. You can see. Then we're loading it onto the time frame, and you can see we actually got a signal down here last week. To the upside. Okay. And if you look at the expert advisors, what you need to do here, okay, we're only looking to go long, hit long, allow live trading, then select your inputs. Okay, put your stop loss. You can measure your stop loss to go underneath the trading zone, the weekly zone. And your take profit you can either have a set take profit, or you can just allow the robot to actually take you out of the trade itself by closing on opposite divergence, opposite classic divergence. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Does all the work for us. All you need to do is, make sure you have if you're swing trading here, we're going to be daily and true. So just make sure they're true, and then heading up. Okay. And every time that takes a 4-hour signal, obviously not now, but last week it would have taken the signal here, and you would still be in this trade now on it, because on the daily and 4-hour there's no opposite divergence yet. So once that happens, the trade will exit. Okay, so you just let that go. It's pretty simple if you're scalping. Okay, day trading Euro, USD, etc. Let's move these. Okay. Make sure I got the indicator. Dun, dun, dun. Price Pro. Okay. Very unique. Does all the work for us. Okay, so you're day trading here, you're looking to trade the Euro USD. We are not at a daily, we're at a 4-hour. We're into a 4-hour now. Okay, so it's approaching the 4-hour trading zone here. What we then want to do, okay, we're looking to sell this. It's coming into a trading zone. And we're looking to sell on divergence. Okay. So we'll go to expert here. Let's load it onto the charts. Okay. I want to select our time frames first, which is the 1 hour, true, 30-minute, true, and the 15-minute, true. Okay, very simple. Make sure this time frame is false. Divergence type is classic or hide. Hidden, maximum 2 trades. I allow 2 trades, and what I do, I put half my position side on. Okay, for the maximum position. So value to risk is 2.5. Don't do that. Enter divergence. Okay, close at opposite divergence. Okay, stop loss is 50 pips. Take profit is 0 because I'm going to let the robot take me out of the trade. Okay, so that'll load onto the charts now. Sorry, I just need to go to common and make sure I'm only looking to short the market. Allow live trading. If you're on a VPS, make sure allow DLL imports is off, as it will not take the signals on the VPS. And that's it there. Okay. So it will actually look for signals now on the 1 hour, 30-minute and 15-minute charts. See, we've already had one earlier, but it's only coming into this 4 hour. We'll hit it earlier on and then dropped already. Signals already happened. And again, you can see here, closed here. We're looking at close a classic. That's a continuation. Okay, so we're just waiting for this to give another divergence signal and it will enter the trade. Okay, so that's the settings for it. That's the settings for the MacD. Move on to the next video and I'll show you a few tricks on how to use it.